guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is about the things that I purchased from Zudio. And it could be in past, it could be in present. We'll see because I have to see and recollect when did I brought that particular stuff. So let's get started. First up we have is this cute netted crop top. I have decided to wear this on a beachy vacation. If I go near beach or something, I would love to wear this. It's cute, crochet. Crochet always looks good. I hope it's called crochet. I'm not sure. This kind of work. It's a bit transparent, but I have figured out how to wear this. I have the correct outfit, correct innerwear for this. Ta-da! Next up we have is this dress. I love this dress so much because it's pink, and I remember this had come in Zudio when the Barbie movie was launched. After I finished watching the movie, I saw this in the mall. And I'm like, oh, I should have bought this. And I'm like, okay, no problem, you can buy it still. And you can use it. I've also seen Phoebe wearing similar kind of outfit, Phoebe from Friends. It's not exactly this, but it's somewhere in this line. I think the shade is lighter there, I don't remember. But I love this. Next up we have is this pink dress. I remember wearing this when I was near a beach, Goa. I was wearing this on a vacation and I love this so much, but I've only wore it once. And I was feeling when to wear. इसका भी मुहूर्त नहीं आ रहा है, अब देखते हैं इसका मुहूर्त कब आएगा. I love this. It is so beautiful. The material is so good. Next up we have is this crop top. ये सब मैंने शायद सेल से ही लिया है. I don't remember exactly because मेरे को तो 1-2 साल हो गए सेल में गए हुए. This top, I loved it. मैंने जब पहन के देखा था और घर पे भी मैंने ट्राई करके देखा, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. पर इसका भी मुहूर्त नहीं आ रहा है, बट इसका मुहूर्त जल्दी आएगा. I believe so. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव इज दिस जीन्स. मैं ये मेंशन ही करना भूल जा रही हूँ बार बार कि ये जीन्स भी जुडियो का है. तभी ना, ये बहुत काफी पुराना जीन्स है. ये ना बड़े बॉटम का जीन्स बहुत फैशन में आया था एंड मैंने सोचा था कि मैं लूंगी, पर अजीब बात ये है कि ट्रेंड जब निकल गया तब मैंने पहनना ये सब चालू किया है. लाइक ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव इज दिस ड्रेस. ये जब मैंने पहना था मुझे बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले थे. इट्स एन अप्रोप्रिएट लेंथ ड्रेस, फुल भी है. ये पहनने पे बहुत ही डिसेंट और प्यारा लगता है बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस, बट दिस लुक्स वेरी डिसेंट एंड गुड एंड क्लासी. This can be worn like an office wear if styled properly. I can be sure of this. It's a beautiful dress. Next up we have is this sweatshirt. I would highly recommend going to Zudio to only buy good sweatshirts or this kind of full tops, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत सही मिलता है. Zudio has definitely nailed one thing, and that's sweatshirts. Full tops, sweatshirts, highly recommended. It has Dreamer, and I'm very particular about the printed t-shirts, shirts, that what it's written, and it should match with my personality. If something weird is written, I wouldn't pick it up. You have to be choosy about this, because when you wear this, your thinking also becomes like that, and a lot of people don't understand this. So you have to be conscious when you're picking up the printed t-shirts or sweatshirts. This is so cute. Oh, I'll wear this soon. Next up we have is again a neon sweatshirt, crop sweatshirt. I loved it so much that I had to pick it up, and the quality is amazing, amazing. Highly, highly recommended Zudio sweatshirts, this kind of t-shirts. Perfectly imperfect, and I accept that this goes well with me, you know. Next up we have is this. I remember buying on MRP because when I saw this, I remember wearing this kind of outfit in my teenage days as well, but that was plain one. I used to wear something like this, and I said, Mommy, that I have to buy this at any cost, and I bought this. This is sheer net top, and I haven't wore yet. And this also I had purchased to wear inside this, so it will look beautiful on any outfit. And you know, even though it's full, it will look very sexy and classy. Next up we have is again one dress, and again this is one dress that whenever I have wore it, I have got a lot of compliments. ऐसा कुछ ना मैंने अनुष्का शर्मा को पहनते हुए देखा था, but it was very different, and obviously it was not Zudio, but this kind of print and this kind of material, I remember she had worn somewhere. I don't remember exactly where it was, and I had fell in love that time itself, but I didn't know that I will be buying something similar in that line. So this is that dress, and it looks very classy and pretty and cute. I've used a lot of ands. I'm realizing that. Highly recommended. Zudio dresses are also good actually if you look for it. Next up we have is this beautiful full length dress, and this is one of the most amazing purchases that I've made in Zudio, and it's cotton. It's beautiful. It's full, you know, full hand, full length, and it gives me a lot of Middle East vibe for some reason. I don't know why. And even if I have to go to Rajasthan, I would love to wear this, and I would roam around and बोलते हैं ना ऐसे घूमते हैं और वो अच्छा फोटोग्राफ्स आता है, इसका घेर आता है. So I would love to wear this if I'm visiting Middle East or if I'm visiting Rajasthan. Both will work for me, and let's see when I'll get to wear this. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. वीडियो बनाने के पीछे का मेस मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ. ये देखो, रिसेंटली ही मैंने अपना कबर्ड ठीक किया, तो ये पूरा मेस हो चुका है और इसको निकालना पड़ेगा, पूरा ठीक करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम लाइक, ओ गॉड.